Hello all, where you can see here, create your first Gemini Enterprise application assignment. There is a single assignment where you can see there. Okay, for example, I'll show you here. This is the lab. In this lab, what you should do is you should directly go to this assignment. Okay, you should directly go to this assignment. See, I am here in this assignment. Okay, we can see here the answers. The same questions. Okay, just try to answer it correctly. That's it. You'll get the 100 out of 100. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. See, I'll show you the course badge also. After completing this, after your score is 100, you should click this next. You can clearly show your badge. You have completed this course and I got the badge. We can apply this for the creditly also. That is a different thing. Yeah, that's it. I got this badge or not. Where we need to check? We need to check in the dashboard. Okay, don't worry. This is not mine. This is my friend account. Okay. See here the badges. We need to click the badges. Okay, in the badges where you can check your completion badges. Okay, hope you are able to understand what exactly I'm saying. You'll get the including the date, you'll get it. Okay, yeah, that is how. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe. This is my first video, I can say. Thank you so much.